In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a credit note in Zoho Books. Whether you're looking to provide your customer with a reduction in their invoice amount or need to correct a billing error, creating a credit note is a straightforward process in Zoho Books. Let's walk through it together. First, you'll want to navigate to your Zoho Books dashboard. Once you're there, take a look at the left sidebar. You'll see a variety of options, but what you want to do is click on Sales. This will expand a set of choices related to sales activities. From this list, click on Invoices. Now that you're in the Invoices section, you should see a list of all invoices that have been processed. The next step is to select the specific invoice for which you want to create a credit note. Take some time to carefully choose the right one, as this decision sets the foundation for your credit note. After you've clicked into an invoice, you'll notice a toolbar at the top of your screen. This toolbar provides a host of options, but our focus is on a small icon containing 3 dots. This represents additional actions you can perform on this invoice. Click on this 3-dot icon and a drop-down menu will appear. From this menu, select Create Credit Note. Now, you're on the page where you can edit and fill out the relevant details of the credit note. This includes the customer name, which should automatically match the one from the original invoice. You'll also want to enter a credit note number and a reference number if that applies to your system of keeping records. Next, choose the date for this credit note. In some cases, you might need to add who the salesperson is, so there's an option for that too, should you want to include it. Don't forget to add a subject, which will summarize the purpose of this credit note. Within the item table on this page, you'll find sections that you can edit based on what's relevant to this credit note. This is where you have the flexibility to make necessary adjustments and ensure everything is accurate. Additionally, you have the opportunity to add customer notes and specify terms and conditions if needed. These sections are optional, but can be very useful for clarification and setting the right expectations. Once you've entered all the necessary information and double-checked for accuracy, look towards the bottom of your screen. You'll find a Save button. Clicking this saves all the information you've just entered, officially creating the credit note in the system. And there you have it. You've successfully created a credit note in Zoho Books. I hope this guide was helpful, and now you can navigate this process with ease. Thank you for watching, and happy accounting.